Today I'm going to show you the quickest way to look up a phone number and call it from your Zoom desk phone. I mean your typical phone that's sitting on your desk. In order to do that, you're going to actually use the Zoom desktop application on your computer. The first thing you want to do is when you open up the Zoom app on your computer and go to phone, in the top right hand corner there'll be a picture of the phone. It'll likely say call control disconnected. If you don't see that, you can see the link below in order to enable it. Let's go ahead and click on that. We're going to click on the desk phone. On my desk phone, it says allow remote control of your phone. I'm going to click yes on my phone. And then you can see it says successfully connected to desk phone. Now, anytime we want to dial a number, let's say we want to call Patrick Lewis, we'll start typing LEW. You can see it says click to call. And now my desk phone rings. I pick up the phone. My desk phone starts to ring. It immediately connects me to Patrick Lewis in this particular case. I can pick up the handset, continue to talk to him just as I would normally. And then when I'm done, I could simply hang up the phone, again, the physical phone. So the only thing we're using the desktop application for is to quickly type in a name and then connect to them. Really quick, easy way to look up people's extensions and place calls to them.